What's happening, everybody? What's happening? Judd Burden here from Asphalt Kingdom. Hope you're having an incredible day. Thanks so much for tuning in to the Asphalt Kingdom channel. If you haven't already, make sure to click that subscribe button and make sure to also click that ringy bell. That will allow you to get notifications every time we push content out. Today, we are speaking about how to make $350 in under 13 minutes. Wow, $350 in under 13 minutes. So Kevin Gray, the president of ADC Paving, is a very close friend of mine. He's also a customer of our company, a longtime customer, and he basically is going to show us right here how to seal coat a driveway and make $350 in under 13 minutes. So take a look at this, watch this. It's in real time. There's no edits, no kind of cuts on this video. It is literally $350 in under 13 minutes. I don't know too many businesses that you can make this kind of money in that kind of time. And the margins are really fat too, running at about 50 to 60% margins in a lot of cases, right? So take a look at this video. I know it's going to be impressive. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. So this is my good buddy right here, Kevin Gray, saying hello to the camera. He's walking up the driveway. They've already cleaned the driveway off. It only took them about 10 to 12 minutes to clean off the surface. And he's basically pulled out the hose from the Sealcoat sprayer that he got from Asphalt Kingdom. They have a PROMAX 550-gallon Sealcoat spray system on a double axle trailer. And so what they do is they pull the hose up and they will pump sealer out into puddles and do all the trim work. And then they'll go ahead and start to seal coat the driveway. In this case, they're doing it by hand with seal coat brushes because they didn't want any overspray on the grass or any of the surrounding areas. And so they decided to do it via brush this time. You'll notice that they're working back and forth on the driveway, very easy. This is not grueling work, it is detailed work, but anybody can really do this. If you're planning on starting an asphalt maintenance business, do know that there's a variety of ways that you can do the application. So you could do it by squeegee or sealer brushes, and you can also do it via a spray system. At Asphalt Kingdom, we do carry a variety of different spray systems that will meet your budget needs and also performance needs. So we do have sprayers that are entry level that start at the drum sprayer level. And then we do have Tote spray systems as well. We do have the 130-gallon residential Sealcoat sprayer, which is a compact Sealcoat spray system skid mount that can go in the back of a pickup truck or on a trailer nice and neat. And then we have the step up from that, which is the AK230. The 230 is a 230-gallon capacity, and that would be for larger contractors that are going out to do more driveways in a period of time. Let's say in one day they want to get 9 driveways done. The 230 has larger capacity, larger volume that will allow you to have more sealer on hand to get the jobs done. You can also use that unit for commercial work. One full tank will give you approximately 20,000 square feet of coverage on that AK230. We do have a step up from that, which is the AK300 Duramax unit, which is an air-operated spray system, compressor, dual diaphragm pump, manual agitation, 2-to-1 gear reduction on the tank. And then we also do have the larger PROMAX spray systems, which is at the 550-gallon capacity all the way up to 1,000-gallon. So no matter what your budget needs are, we can definitely accommodate you, and we can definitely assist you with getting the right spray system for your needs so that you are performing at the best possible level, maximizing your business. As you can see here, Kevin Gray at ADC Paving and his crew are crushing this right now, and you just finished watching this video as we go through here. A few other pieces of value that I'd like to deliver during this video is that getting these kind of jobs require that you, of course, have some great omni-channel marketing in place. So it's important to do some advertising through Facebook, do some advertising through local papers, do some advertising perhaps on a radio station. And you can do some omni-channel marketing that way. Make sure that you also have your website set up with Google My Business set up so that for local search, when people are going to Google's search box, they're able to actually find you as a result. The other thing that's really important is getting video up on your YouTube channel, which is optimized. Make sure your YouTube titles are optimized, your description of the video is optimized with links back to your website to start doing lead generation. But these jobs are not hard to get if you do your proper marketing, you do your proper branding. You can see the shirts are branded here. You can see that they're actually out representing the company in a professional manner. And I can tell you, if this camera spun around to show their spray system and their truck setup, this is a professional organization, a group that's able to actually present the value and professionalism in what they are providing to their customers. And they're providing pavement asset maintenance and management solutions. They also are a full-fledged paving company as well. So they actually do mill and paves, huge, 2,000-ton jobs, but they also do these smaller jobs as well. The margins are super huge in this business, so you don't want to forget about the seal coating and the asphalt maintenance side of this. And crack repair as well, just as a heads up, you can get $1 a linear foot on crack repair, any kind of crack sealing, when your cost is only roughly running at 11 cents or so. So imagine making 89 cents in every step that you take. Every single foot of crack sealing that you do, you make 89 cents. Well, if you had 1,000 feet of cracks to seal, you'd be making $890 in a day. If you had 10,000 linear feet, well, you'll make $8,900 in a day. So don't forget about that too. But I'll let you all finish watching the rest of this video. Check this out, stay tuned, and definitely follow ADC Paving. Since 1959, ADC Paving. Follow them on Instagram, follow them on Facebook, and take a look at the quality that these guys are outputting. Kevin, Gray, awesome video, man. Thank you for sharing. I know a lot of people who are starting out in the business or considering starting out in the business really look at these videos and definitely see value in them, and it helps them to ultimately provide better results for their customers and maximize their profits as well. Check this out, everybody. Watch this.
$350 in 12 minutes.
Well, as you can see, asphalt seal coating is extremely lucrative. You can make $350 in less than 13 minutes, as Kevin Gray just did. If you're interested in starting your asphalt maintenance business to provide freedom for yourself and your family, please do go through any of our YouTube resources that we have, or visit our Start Your Own Asphalt Maintenance Business page at asphaltkingdom.com. We really, really look forward to working with you, and we will always be here through the journey of helping you grow your very own successful asphalt maintenance business. Have a wonderful day. Thanks again for tuning in to the YouTube channel that we have here.